What is the value of the expression 5 squared minus 75 divided by 5 times 3? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is actually very easy, but it tricks 99% of people. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. To solve this problem, many people start by calculating 5 squared first, and instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 25 minus 75 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. And the next step, they usually perform the subtraction between 25 and 75, and simplifying this expression to negative 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Then, they proceed by doing the division between negative 50 and 5, which gives them negative 10 times 3. And finally, they multiply negative 10 by 3, which ends up with the answer negative 30. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go for the expression 5 squared, and they simplify it to 25 minus 75 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 5 and 3 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 25 minus 75 divided by 15. Next, they perform the division between 75 and 15 since they believe division has priority over subtraction. And they rewrite this expression as 25 minus 5, which ultimately gives them the answer 20. And immediately, they conclude that option C is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 25 minus 75 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 75 and 5, and this expression simplifies to 25 minus 15 times 3. Now, it's time to do the multiplication between 15 and 3, which gives us 25 minus 45. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to negative 20. Therefore, option B is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 99 divided by 33 multiplied by open parenthesis 2 plus 1 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's go step by step and solve it together. In the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 99 divided by 33 multiplied by 3. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 33 and 3 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 99 divided by 99, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression correctly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. To solve this question, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. So, we'll start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 99 divided by 33 multiplied by 3. Now, it's time to simplify this expression. It's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 99 and 33, which simplifies this expression to 3 multiplied by 3. And finally, the value of this expression will be 9. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.